Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we have the formula in here. So e multiplied by s, e to multiply by s. So we have 4 to the power of es. Similar for this one. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one, we have 4 to the power of es, ln number 4. Later that, we do first the derivative of es, so we have e. The next one, we have 4 to the power of e to the power of s, ln number 4. That is from the base. And later that, we do first the derivative of e to the power of s. So we have e to the power of s. And we put the s in here. Next, we divide both sides by ln number 4. So this one we change by u. This one with the s we change by the u over ln number 4. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.